欢迎来中文课，我是吴老师。Today I will introduce you about me in Chinese that you have learned before. So if you don't understand, it's fine. Miss will just try to help you to recall what you learned previous year. And I also will talk about the Chinese class, remote learning expectations and procedures, and Zoom rules. So pay attention. 关于我，大家好，我叫吴梦纯，你们要叫我吴老师。我在台湾高雄出生，我以前住在台湾28年，我现在住在 Charlotte。我是 Socrates Academy 的老师，我教中文和美术。他们是我的家人，我的爸爸妈妈，3个姐姐，我的女儿和我姐姐的女儿。这是我的国家，台湾。这是我的家乡，高雄。Okay, now it's our remote learning expectations. When you come to the room, Miss will need you to follow these expectations. First, be on time. Wake up early and log on a few minutes before class. Be in a quiet place. Find a quiet place and check your surroundings. Be prepared. Computer is charged. Camera is on. Miss will need to see your face to make sure you are listening and have interaction with Miss Wu. Use headphones if you have them. Presentation. Wear appropriate clothing. Sit up straight and be in camera view. Mute yourself. Mute yourself when your teacher or another student is talking. Participation. Be focused. Be attentive. Be an active participant. Chat responsibly. Raise your hand to speak and type your question in the chat box. Communication. Speak clearly. When you need to talk, look up when speaking and stay on topic. The most importantly, be respectful. Respect, be kind, be considerate. More classroom rules. Follow directions quickly. Raise your hand for permission to speak. Raise your hand for permission to leave your seat or Zoom. And besides, because we already learned some classroom comments, that you can speak Chinese to ask you want to leave in Chinese sentence. And make smart choices. And again, be respectful and keep your learning community happy. The diamond rule: keep your eyes on the target and pay attention. Especially what Miss Wu told you, the learning Chinese the only way now is through Miss Wu. If you don't listen to me, you cannot understand and you will be frustrated at home. So please pay attention in class. When you need help, what you need to do? Raise your hand, 举手. Be polite, 要有礼貌. Quietly ask your neighbor, 小声问邻居. Even though now we are in remote, but we need to get used to it when we go back to our campus, and then you know how to do your rule. Okay, last one. Patiently wait for a teacher. So 耐心等老师. Do you remember our classroom procedures? Even though we are in remote learning mode, but we still can do it. So when you come to my Zoom, and then when Miss Wu say 上课 begin the class, and you had to do some action. Remember, we will go through it, okay? And when you are about to exit the classroom, same as in on the campus, when Miss Wu says 下课, the class is over, we had to do our special Chinese things and by gesture. Remember, 石头不 hop, okay? Okay, now we are talking about our classroom procedure. When Miss Wu say 上课, let's begin the class. Then you have to follow the next instructions. Then Miss Wu will say 站起来. Every one of you had to stand up. 站起来. Then every one of you had to say 老师好. 老师好. After you say 老师好, Miss Wu will say 大家好. Hello everyone, 大家好. Then Miss Wu will say 坐下, 坐下, and all of you can sit down. When the class is over, Miss Wu will say 下课, 下课. Miss Wu will say 站起来, 站起来, and you had to stand up. After you stand up, we will do our gesture. So first you say 石头 and 不. Then everyone say 哈. Then everyone bow with Miss Wu and say 谢谢. Then everyone wave to Miss Wu and every other your friends and say 再见. 再见. After talking about our classroom procedure, we are talking about the classroom surprise. All students are to bring their own pencils and erasers, and binder and Chinese notebook. Chinese notebook is for you to take notes in class, so you can practice at home. Not to sharpen pencils when the teacher is giving instruction. So when to sharpen pencils? You can sharpen your pencils before the class starts, or during the transitions, but not when the teacher is giving instructions. Now let's do your exit stickers. Tell me something about yourself. I Miss will know you a lot, but still I want to know you more. So if you can type all this in your Google Classroom, you just need to type in English. You don't need to type in Chinese. So those the questions. Please you type in the answer. First one, type your name and today's date, and then your gender and age, birthday, and your grade, the seasons you like or dislike, the weather you like or dislike, the pets you have or pets you want to have, food, drink, fruit, vegetables you like or dislike, restaurant type you like or dislike. Means like Chinese restaurant or Japanese restaurant or Greek restaurant, which type of restaurant you like or dislike. Last one, countries you like to travel to. All these kind of topics will be the your coming school year we're gonna learn, and hopefully we will have fun, and as usual pay attention and listen to Miss Wu. Okay, I'll see you next time. 谢谢，再见。